Hi everyone, welcome to Goldtide Prelims IAS Academy and hope you all are doing good. So first of all, be proud of yourself that you have reached the second phase of UPSC examination and you are writing this examination. So it is not by luck, you have really worked hard for that. So you have left, actually if you think like you have left lakhs of students behind and you have reached this stage of your examination. So you got this opportunity and we are going to utilize this opportunity in best possible way. Okay, so you have already defined your strategies, you have defined your approach, how you will proceed your essay writing, your ethics paper, your GS like GS paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, everything you have defined now. So you have been told by someone wherever you have joined test series or whoever guided you in your mains preparation, but as a mentor of yours from the very beginning of your examination, from the very beginning of your preparation, so it is my duty that I would like to convey a very important points to you which will really help you in your mains examination. Okay, so I'm not going to take much of your time, but I would like to convey these messages to you. The very first important point is try to relax yourself. Okay, because what is actually going to happen in examination hall, you will try to recall things while writing. Whatever you have learned in last 1 year, you will just try to recall. Okay, you recently new topics you have learned and new in test series, whatever you have given right now, there are so many points which will be coming to you. Okay, so you have to recall them the best possible points and you have to present them on the paper in a very short span of time. So if you don't try to cool yourself or relax yourself, it will really going to become a very difficult task. Okay, so this thing you have to keep in mind, that you are going to relax now and you're not going to read more and more test series or any new notebooks or any new magazines, anything. Whatever you have read, it's done now. Okay, you will revise, you will just try to cool yourself, and I'm saying you, if you will just try to be relaxed, you are going to present the paper in the best possible way. Okay, second important point is, like, every student who is giving exam, mains examination, they are going to face difficulty in examination. Difficulty, by word difficulty, what I mean is that there will be few questions, 10 to 12 questions which are known to those everyone. Okay, and then the rest 4 to 5 questions will be moderate and the 3-4 questions difficult. This is like kind of pattern every student in the examination hall will feel that. And this is why I am saying this is because you are not going to take it like this is happening only to you. Okay, in examination hall it happens because everything in mains is about uncertainty. You go to write exam and you face new questions, new varieties, new variations, and you try to give in the best possible way. Okay, so whatever you have read, learned or written, it's not like the similar pattern, like similar questions or in a similar way they are going to be asked in examination. Okay, so if you are facing problem, just don't think this is happening only to you. This is happening with every single student writing mains examination. Okay, and the third most important point is, don't try to fool your evaluator. Okay, like, don't write like we used to do in schools and colleges. If you don't know the answer, we will just try to write all nonsense stuff so that at least we get few marks for that. Okay, this is not going to happen in this exam. And don't give this perception that this evaluators just read your first line or last line or something, very few basic points, and that's all. No, they are going to see, they are very smart, and they will just find it. Like, if you are just trying to fool them or just trying to write any nonsense, like what we used to do is we used to write in points. If you know the best, we will write in points everything. But if you don't know the answer, we will just try to make paragraphs and paragraphs, and irrelevant stuffs we will try to fill. Okay, this is what examiner get upset with you, that he thinks like he's trying to fool me, and that is going to reflect, like, there's a marking system that marks he give, it will just trying to reflect in other questions too. Okay, so just write relevant points, what they are asking you write. If it is very difficult also, write something which is related to that. Don't write anything which is very out of context, and that is like, evaluator should not feel like he's that some student is just trying to fool them. It is like create a very bad impression and your marks, like, it really get affected. Okay, so this is very important that you understand this, that don't write nonsense in the paper. Okay, the fourth most important point is, like, for every question, like, if what exactly, like what actually happens in examination is when we try to write answers, like some answers, some questions, we are very like we are able to collect so many points and we know it very well, and what exactly what we do is like we will try to spend more and more time on the same question. One thing I will tell you, the maximum marks for like questions they will give, how beautiful you write, 5 to 6 marks they are going to give. If you write average, they are going to give 4 and 5 marks. So don't try to like spend so much time in the questions which are very known to you. Okay, just write, it's good to write average answer. Okay, no, don't try to be like spending so much time on a very like on a single question. Okay, this thing you will take care, because it will really take your time, and it's like it's a benefit is not like too much. Okay, so this is very important point. Okay, now one more important point is like in examination there are 2-3 questions asked in the same set, and in the same question there will be 2-3 sections, and then what, give equal importance to every section. Okay, then it's like if you're writing less also, but if you are giving importance to every section, it really give you good marks. Okay, so just try to be focused, like you have to keep this in mind that you have to give equal importance to every section of the question. Don't like the first point you like it more, you start writing, and there's a word limit. Okay, so you can't be ignoring few things and writing much about a single thing. It's not going to help anyway. Okay, so again, don't try to fool the evaluator. Okay, just try to write and give equal importance to every section. And there's very minute thing, but it is important that please care of your handwriting. Okay, it should not be like too beautiful, but it should be very decent, like that evaluators should read like your answers. Okay, you should write in at least in that way that evaluator reads your answer. It should not become difficult for him to read every single word like what he has written. Okay, so it should not be too beautiful and like slow writing and all that. No, you have to write like in whatever way you're writing, but it should be decent for the evaluator. It should look like he can read the answers. Okay, this is very, very important. So these are the important points for your mains examination, and I really don't want to be like very serious. You should be very cool, and I have not given you much time for the mains examination. I know that, but it's like you have already like prepared well for the examination, and you people have taken care of well, and whatever I can, I try to help. I did my own way. So wishing you all the best for your examination, and till now there are so many students who clear prelims examination for Gold Tide, but we have not got the final result till now. Okay, so this year we are expecting each one of you who's writing mains examination, give your best. Okay, every person is creative in their own way. They are creative in their own way. Nobody is expecting a similar pattern or the same answers from each student. They're expecting what they are actually. So don't try to be like, just be creative in the paper. Write what you feel like, what is good, don't try to like this is important, this is going to fetch you more marks, and no, just try to give valid points and just give importance to every section. Okay, you are like every student is different. Okay, so this thing you have to take care of mind, and be free, like don't be like going with so much pressure in examination. It reflects actually on the paper. Okay, so wishing you all the best for your examination, and I will wait for your results. I eagerly like wait for your results, and then we will see for the interview thing. But yeah, like for the mains examination, do well. And if anyone wants to talk to me personally, they can call me. They know like I will be always available to them, so they can call me anytime they want. Okay, so thank you so much. Wishing you all the best.